Hey, what's up guys, Elite Gamer here, and today I'm going to be taking on the King Slime. I don't know if he's a hard boss or not, but we'll find out. Just wait for this to load up. I have the summoning thing. I'll summon him, and I'll destroy him. Wait, I need to get my sword back. Oh crap. So this guy has my sword. Or not. The game just took away my sword because I put it in here so he could enchant it, but it's now gone. I left it in there and it's gone. What the heck? It's pretty weird, but here, I'll get my good weapons out. I gotta summon my imp. He does pretty good against him. Summon this guy. There we go. Alright, I'm going to summon him right. There he is. Where is he? Can't see him. Is he on the other side of the house? Oh no, I'll find him. Where are you, you big slime? Oh, where is he? I can't even find him. He must be over here. Oh, what? Why is he up there? Come on. Oh, these are really easy. Whoa. Oh god. Do this. Slimes. Whoa. Okay. The 100th blue slime. And I'll be picking up some. Oh, I got a slime gun. Look at that. See? There's nothing on it though. I think it's just like a, what is it? Vanity item. Like, these right here. They don't do any. They don't have no stats on them. Make me better. Make me better. Because it's just vanity. Like it's just clothes to make me look better. Same thing with this gun, I think. I don't know. Let me look. I have 411 slime. So I'll shoot that. Does it shoot slime? No, it doesn't shoot slime. What does it do then? Maybe it doesn't shoot anything. It's just like that. I don't think it does any damage either. Maybe it does. And that's just my minion guy. That's so cool. Alright, well. I also got this too. Throwing velocity, ninja. I don't really need that. Alright guys, well, I guess I'm gonna leave that here. I mean, he's a pretty cool boss. He's really cool, but barely any health. I just destroyed him. He has less health than the Eye of Cthulhu, I think. Which the Eye of Cthulhu is easy. He does kind of a lot of damage, but his health is really low. And there's a ninja guy inside of it. He's like the king or something. I don't know. Alright guys, well I'm gonna leave that video here. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Bye.